Welcome back, guys. Oat harvest. Also, don't mind my voice. I just got over being sick. But well, it is officially time now to harvest these oats out there. It's been a week. Got some rain. Got some other stuff to do, but it's ready to go. So let's harvest this stuff. Let's get these oats off the ground. Got the tractor wagon here. Brother down there with the 9400 combine pickup head. I'm gonna take you down there, and let's get going on this. I should probably make sure first that the gate is shut on this wagon. Yep, it's shut. So that means I should probably actually open it and make sure that there's nothing hiding in there. Okay, we're good. We're good. Also, take a look for the neighbor's corn. Corn's looking pretty good. I mean, some fields are looking bad due to water damage, but I would say not this one. Our fields are looking tremendous over there. Beans are looking, I mean, there's some weeds in the beans, but height-wise, I think we got the tallest beans around. Something I should probably do. Shut. So, what we got going on is, we got those three earlier oats that we're going to be doing. The three oats we planted later, they're an early variety. Then we got this stuff here that's the later variety, i.e. the stuff that I hurt my toe while we're dragging. And we're going to start with that stuff. This whole back 40, we're just going to chop the straw. Who knows? Who knows? Maybe we won't even make much straw. We don't really need much just because, well, we have a lot from last year and we didn't sell a whole lot, and I think we'll be fine. It depends. It depends on how nice the straw is, I guess. But yeah, let's keep going. As you can see, the windrows have been a bit squashed because of the rain, but also the regrowth around them. But it ain't anything that's going to hurt them. There's the combine down there. We're going to make our way down there. So here's some of the neighbor's soybeans. Again, I mean, they're not looking bad. They're actually getting some height on them now, but definitely a little behind ours, even though they were planted before. So, yep. Yeah, you can really see the difference. There's the clover, and over there, the hay ground, the new hay ground. At least something's growing on that sandhill finally. Well, decently growing. That's just because we had so much water this year. There it is, the combine. Doing a pretty good job. Don't seem to be getting any loss, so pretty good. All right, guys, that is night one of oat harvest. We will see you in the morning. Welcome everybody to day 2 of oat harvest. This back section over here is done. This section you start on this one. At some point, I think I'll make it in the combine, but just I've been working on other stuff. But here and there, I'll try and get out here and show you guys what's going on in progress. So he's working on grain tank load number 2. Last night, so we were trying to unload for the first time, turn it on. I'd put the new chain on. Apparently I had not put it on exactly correctly. It was off on one sprocket, but it was pretty simple fix. You just rerouted it and everything. It was all fine. But yeah, we ended up putting the old chain back on for now because the other chain apparently wasn't long enough to start, so I got to lengthen that thing. But yeah, as you can see, his grain tank is getting full. Yep, he's getting full. It's a nice grain line back there. This will be the last crop on this field for quite a while, besides hay. Because, well, these areas, this chunk and this chunk here just don't produce the best crops. A little lighter soil. As you can see, it's all going right to the old pickup head. Next time I'm not gonna stand in the wind, because that all blew right in my face. All right, this section's done. So that's 2 sections done out of 3 of these later planted oats, and then it's just the stuff we planted in March over there and up there. So yeah, he's gonna go dump that, and I'm gonna go get a bucket so we can do a moisture sample test thingy. All right, there it comes. Right up there. 400, 7410 on wagon. Those 2 sections back there done. Making progress. All right, guys, thanks for watching part 1 of Oat Harvest 2024. There's going to be more videos coming. All right, guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.